Yiwei 18-ton pure electric road sweeper. Multifunctional, street sweeping, waste collection. The vehicle is integrated, sleek and attractive design. Equipped with a touchscreen control panel, switchable dry or wet modes, dual dry or wet use, ideal for dry, dusty northern regions. Equipped with dual side sweepers, high-pressure spray suppresses dust. The rear has a rear-wide suction nozzle, with a rolling and suction integrated design. The garbage bin is designed with layers. It charges quickly, equipped with dual gun fast charging socket. 40-minute charge meets regional operation needs. 3 modes: power, standard, and eco, to meet different road cleaning needs. It's safe and intelligent, steering wheel mounted paddle shifters, with 360 surround view, ensuring the safety of operations. Yiwei New Energy Sanitation Vehicle, using green technology to make life better.